May mkaon kay. Kong si fat ka.
Oh, fat.
What is it? Is it what?
Ong si fat sai.
Hi everyone, it's me Issaplease, and this is my little sister
Casey.
She's gonna be in the video for the very first time today because I need someone to help me eat. She's been asking me to be in a video for like the longest time, and today is finally today is the day where we will be trying out
Oreos.
Our mom came back from the States. Kinsa may niingon ni mommy to buy different Oreos?
You.
It was me?
Yeah.
Who likes Oreos?
Me, but you're the one who asked.
Yeah, I actually don't eat a whole lot of Oreos. We're not gonna lie, some of them are opened because there's a certain someone in this house who could not wait to eat them.
Me?
Yeah.
I didn't eat this.
So what we're gonna do in the video today is we're gonna show you the different types of Oreos that they have in the States, which we Filipinos do not have access to, and we're gonna try them out. So these right now, the flavors that we have are... Tell them, Casey.
Actually, this is just the normal Oreo but red. This is a winter edition.
This is the... Read it, Casey.
Peppermint bark.
Peppermint bark. I'm not... Are you a fan of peppermint?
No.
Me neither. They have it at Starbucks and I don't like it. This one, I'll be honest, I have been eating already. This is the birthday cake Oreo.
White fudge covered.
White fudge covered. I think this is gonna be good. But feel like super creamy. Like, mulama siya on the top of your mouth. And then this one, I'm excited to try this one. The red velvet Oreo. Let's start with the winter Oreo. Same great taste. 5 cool winter designs. So, we are gonna open it up. Obviously, gikwaan na siya.
Yeah.
Did you eat this alone? I have one.
I ate the rest.
Oh, hello, we got the same design.
And we got another one.
That's okay. So Casey and I are twinning. We got the snowman head. Look guys, it's red! Kabot kag tini-wini wa.
Yes.
So-
I miss those. They don't have that anymore.
Those are like the ghetto Oreos of our time. Sige, may kaon muna akong snack sa una. Cheers, sister!
Good.
It's pretty good. Fun fact, Casey is my maid of honor. She's been very helpful in this whole wedding planning process.
In spirit.
She's been helping me in spirit. She's busy with college, so... But, you know, it's good. Anyways, going back to the Oreos. It's really good.
Like the regular Oreos here, the cream, it's
So
a lot
nipis.
smaller.
Compared to the ones in the States. They're... no ba?
Yeah.
Drink a lot of water, okay? You're pre-diabetic ba ya? Fun fact, diabetes runs in our family. And we're here eating so much sweets. You know what I don't like about Oreos? Ay kuman mukha or mupilit siya like in every crevice of your mouth. So I'm constantly like trying to pick it out. Okay, I'm done with the first one. Let's try the limited edition peppermint bark. It's peppermint flavored cream with crunchy crystal sugars. Sino ko di mo ganahan ani?
Yeah, same.
You know, like, I'm not really into like pepperminty stuff. And then this has like peppermint barks. You know what? It's like that Starbucks drink na luod.
Yeah.
Nipis siya. I don't like the smell of it because koon ko sa smell. Here's what it looks like. It has tidbits on it. Like sugar or sugar,
Mint.
no? Sugar mints? Sugar mints? Is that the right word?
Probably just the peppermint.
Like crushed peppermint. Do you like the sugar? Like, do you like the candy canes that are peppermint?
No.
I don't like those either. But Jolly Rancher has, and they're like super lami. Like if it's, I like candy canes as long as they're not the peppermint one, which completely defeats the purpose. Cheers. Pinaload ni. 1, 2, 3, go. Don't just burp from the water.
Not that strong. Oh. It's not that strong.
It's not so strong. I'm waiting for the peppermint to kick in because I thought it would be a lot stronger because the smell is so strong. So I'm like, when is it gonna kick in? I wouldn't eat it though.
I'll eat it.
If
If I run out of this one. Oh, the regular one.
Feel ko like, but feel ko lamig niya siya with tea. I don't like it. I'm gonna finish it. You wanna finish? No, don't finish it. Drink water, drink water. I'm supposed to drink lots and lots of water because it's really bad for you. How much calories is in an Oreo?
100.
There's 140 calories
Per 2 cookies.
I don't even know what calories are. Honestly, I took nursing and we had nutrition class. I don't even know what it is. Because like in the movies, they'd be like, I'm counting my calories. And I just don't, I never
What
understood.
movie?
In the 90s movies.
Oh.
It's like good girl, or like TV shows. Like, I'm on a diet. I'm counting my calories. This one I'm really excited about because I have been eating this and I really do like it. It's the birthday cake Oreo flavor cream. Cream or creme? Who the hell has been eating these?
You!
No, I didn't eat it. Tanawa, good. Someone just ate the cream.
What?
Look, there are like two lone Oreos in here nga walay cream. So someone has been going in this package and eating it.
Sometimes na rin
Some
There's a bunch. Oh wait, no. It's just
No,
not
but you
one.
can tell na naake where there used to be something in it. Oh wait, you know what? I think ako.
sometimes na yung sweetheart.
This one doesn't have a cover. There's some interesting stuff going on in here. This one doesn't have a cover, and there are 2 extra ones. So, good luck to whoever eats this one. Kaya ako nagigunit ang cream. This is the Oreo birthday cake edition. I'm gonna get Japanese food after this. Balik na sa tayo. Alam na sa kupalakbon.
Abang
Okay.
Yay!
Ouch! Casey's gonna bang kami. Haha. The thing that I really like about these Oreos is that they're super cute because they come in like these tidbits. The colored sugar ni sweetheart, no?
I don't think I like birthday cake. Or I've never really eaten.
Unsa nga, have you ever tried eating a vanilla flavored cake?
No.
You've never tried?
Why would you
Okay.
eat vanilla flavored cake?
Like just the plain one?
Yeah.
That's the one that I like.
Why?
I don't know. I don't like chocolate cake. Ikaw, ganun ka chocolate, no? You know why you have a mole here?
Why?
So, Casey used to have a mole here, but she got it removed. Right ba? Right side. Yeah,
Yeah.
I'll put a baby picture. But she had like a really big mole here. And then, ingon sila nga, gilihi daw ka og chocolate.
Lihi.
You don't know what lihi is? What's lihi? Sa Bisaya, English. Birthmark?
One for you.
Born. Like, lihi is when you're pregnant and like, you really like something, your baby kind of manifests that craving. So our mom said that gilihi ko niya ni Paquito. You know what Paquito is?
No.
I'm gonna show you. Paquito is like, or was this really, really like sikat comedian growing up when mom was a kid, and he's super like king koy kay siya now, but I wanna say ugly, but he's dead, so I won't say ugly.
You're ugly?
Yeah, like like
That's why.
That's why. Like when mom was pregnant with me, she really, really hated Paquito. Oh, Palito. Palito Diaz. This is who mom hit me after.
And then?
This is.
What, you're supposed to look like that because she hated him?
Like
She was
there.
like-
So that's Palito. Palito di ay. So she feels like I look like him, or like I have some traits like him, like, you know, like I'm King Kuy. Get this, you know who Miguel was lihi after?
No.
Piolo Pascual. Because mom really, really hated Piolo Pascual daw.
Oh, hate?
Yeah, it's either something you really like or you really hate.
Why? What's wrong with Piolo?
I don't know, gibatian siya sa naong ni Piolo before. Or
Papa looks like Piolo.
probably hated Papa too. Upas na siya.
Yeah. Because you don't close it properly. It's okay lang. For birthday cake, I thought it was gonna be like, wow, birthday. It's your birthday.
No, I think like what they do is it's just the cream and then they add just like something to make it different. Like the peppermint, they just added peppermint.
Yeah.
For this, they just added like the colored sugar. Drink
Yeah.
water. Now we go on to the white fudge covered Oreo, which is also a limited edition.
Whoa, that's different.
Oh my god, this is packaged differently, guys. It's sealed, which makes sense because it came in a box. May gani wala na lanay because you just kept it like room
There.
temp. Yeah, and we put it under. It's all white. Here it is. Okay, just use your imagination. It's all white and it's covered in chocolate and you can feel like it melts. Let's eat it together at the same time.
Hell no.
Sige na, like uyap ba? We're sisters with
No, just have it.
Let me see, ano? I like
No.
it. I think I like it because it's like white fudge. Like it's not super chocolatey. It's really stuck in all my teeth. I hate this feeling. The last one that we're gonna open is, why is it like this?
Because it hasn't been opened yet.
Ka-ignorante bago di ay nako.
Yeah.
It smells gross.
Cream cheese.
It's not-
That's what cream cheese smells like.
Bitaw no, it does smell like cream cheese.
Kinda like sour.
Mmm, smells so good. So red velvet is basically just chocolate that they put red food coloring in and they added cream cheese, right?
The red color is supposed to come from beet juice.
Mga Pinoy, labi na nanihik, they'll just put like red food coloring and call it red velvet. Cheers, my friend.
It tastes like a local cookie. Like Cremo?
Dili, wait, kala may ice cream, oh.
It tastes like Cremo.
You know what it reminds me of? What's your kakatilaw? You know how like kanang nanay can where you put like when you open it, it's puro hilo? But it used to be like cookies.
Oh,
We
okay.
have like a local version of that. Big metal can. Oh.
Lola used to have those.
Surprisingly, I thought that I would like the
This
red
or this
velvet.
one, the peppermint.
But what do you think? Which one do you like most? I mean, least.
Probably this one.
Yeah, that's how I feel also.
Because this was bearable.
This one was like, oh, interesting. It's a nice flavor. But this one, it's like, ay, red velvet, di ay ni.
You like birthday cake more than the original?
Oh no. Here. You're right. But I like the fudge the most.
Yep.
We have come to an agreement, my friends. The first one that we like the most is the white fudge covered Oreo, followed by the winter Oreo. Third one is the birthday cake Oreo. Fourth, the peppermint bark. And lastly is the red velvet Oreo cream cheese flavored crumb. If you've tried any other of the Oreo flavors, let us know which ones you like, or if there's a flavor of Oreos that you have tried that we haven't that you want us to try out in the future. Let us know in the comment section below and we will try to get them and maybe try them out on this channel. If there's anything else that you want me and my sister Casey to try out, you have to specifically request for her, because if you don't request for her, she will not be in the video. If you want us to do other mukbang videos or try out videos, put them in the comment section below what you want us to do, and we might just do it for you. And we'll give you a shout out too if your video gets chosen.
Like, subscribe, and follow.
What's your Instagram name?
Perez Casey. CASEY.
And I'm Issaplease on Instagram. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!